ride number one. That's all I needed.
You hear how quick it went into reverse that time?
Yep. See, Mom, we have seatbelts.
We have seatbelts. I'm gonna go this way because it's a downhill push if I have to push this back.
Yeah. It's a very steep uphill
Ye of
climb.
little faith, right?
It's a Volvo, it runs forever. You can even hear the engine through the air. It's great. This makes me happy.
Yeah, man. She's running smooth. It is getting ready to storm. We don't have a dash, a speedometer, windshield wipers. What else are we missing?
The tail lights work. I don't know if the front lights work.
Sounds like we got a little spark knock. Got a little knocky knock.
I wonder if someone didn't gap their spark.
Totally shouldn't turn right onto the main road right now, but I'm done. We got our insurance plate on here, don't we? Because I do have insurance on this.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling any vibrations from the drive shaft or the carrier bearing or anything. Remember, we took all that apart.
Yeah, we did. Let's put it back together, right?
Well, let's hope so. I'm like white knuckling it.
Now you're supposed to be Mr. Cool, Calm, and Collected.
Let's just act like that didn't happen. Let's just act like
Like what didn't happen?
that didn't happen.
I know what you're talking about. What is that?
I don't know.
It's someone else. No. An air leak of some sort.
Get on this side road and listen a little closer. These danger rides are always so tense.
It's like not called danger rides for nothing.
Don't just call them that for nothing. I hear it too now. What if it's the brakes dragging?
Maybe. You just say that once that looked kind of locked up.
You know, it sounds almost like an intake whistle.
Huh.
Well, considering we have no gauges and we can't check oil pressure and we can't see temperature, but we are braking, steering, and accelerating. I call it a win.
Yeah.
What is that flopping around in that?
There's some stuff.
One of 18 cases of some parts?
Yep. I'll give you like a big hat of like 10,000 things it could be, and I'll let you take it.
Let's see if they'll slide in front. It feels like the brakes are a little spongy. They're not terrible. They're a little.
I mean, we knew that one side was going to have an issue.
They're getting better.
And
This is America's largest speed bump right here. Here we go. Don't you scrape. Don't you scrape. I just cut the bar out that scraped some of Malibu last night.
Oh, nice.
What if we just freewheel in the parking lot here?
Limousine.
What is that? Something rubbing?
I don't hear anything. It must be on your side if it is.
Are we trying to hear stuff? Is it?
We need to. If there's stuff to hear, we probably need to hear it.
The spark knocking seems to have subsided,
Yeah.
which means that I just single-handedly fixed the ignition system
Good. Just like that.
with no wrenches, not even popping the hood.
Just by pure force of will.
I can bend spoons with my mind. See, it's not going down. I don't know that it's going down in first gear. You know, didn't that feel different?
Yeah. That was loud.
That is a sound. There is a sound. Should we go back and check the transmission fluid?
Probably.
Yeah, that's a sound. But you know, it does seem to be like air related.
It does. It's very whistly.
It's not the transmission. I think we would have just heard it when I manually shifted it. But see, I don't think that the transmission is downshifting the way I want it to.
Yeah. Is that a vacuum thing?
It's probably an idle control, like it's probably linkage.
Ah.
And your grandfather said that because the flame trap had not been replaced, which we haven't, that somebody probably adjusted the idle mixture, the idle air mixture incorrectly, that will mess with things such as this.
Makes sense.
I mean, it's not one to cut off whenever I come to a stoplight or anything.
Oh, she runs great.
You hear it?
That's weird. I don't know what it is.
See, when we go around this turn here, it should downshift based on the throttle kickdown. See, it should have kicked down to there, I think.
Yeah.
And there's the little bit of a spark knob. I mean, unless right now the radiator's overheating and spewing and we don't know it.
I'm gonna hope that's not it. I don't think it would have run this far if it was. We heard that a while back.
Well, maybe we gotta pull over and check. Just make sure it's not spitting fluid.
Yeah.
Definitely making some weird, almost sounds like belts, like a loose belt. But
Really? We didn't touch any belts.
No, let's not say something's not.
It's not. That doesn't sound like a belt squeeze to me.
Let's just pull over and do a visual check under the hood. See, I believe, you know, this is the accelerator, and I think that is the kick-down adjustment for the transmission. Maybe there's a vacuum leak over here.
There's a break in this line right here.
Yeah, well, that could be it. We'll need to research that. I don't see a transmission leak.
Or radiator.
Hey, you know what's weird?
What?
I don't hear the squeakers much anymore. Yeah, I don't know. That's a vacuum thing. Gotta be right. Something we're missing.
An inconsistent vacuum. So whatever needs inconsistent vacuum.
It sounds like we're flight 3258. Ready for takeoff.
You know, that means it sounds like a turbo. We have a turbo.
Yeah, this is basically a turbo. The new shocks and struts feel fine.
They do. Feel good. She rides like a dream.
Well, it's not as soft as it was before because the wheels, the tires are lower profile. But you know, it's a small price to pay for fashion.
I can hardly even tell.
Try not to die at this intersection. I hate this intersection.
It's fine as long as you're not being dumb. The only reason that person got hit because they did not stop before they pulled out.
They were probably
just pulled
on
out.
their phone, Lexi. I mean, come
Probably.
on. People are busy on their phones instead of driving. They're not driving Volvos where they're connected to the road at one with the automobile. I mean, when you drive something like this, you know, this isn't just an automobile. This is an experience.
It's a lifestyle.
It is. All right, man.
Woohoo! Danger ride.
Successful. Less danger. And
God,
this
do
does
not
not
like this.
retract. This new seatbelt that I bought.
Oh my God. Mine retracted just
I
fine.
think I need to oil mine maybe. And I just sliced my finger too,
Oh,
so that's
good. That's the perfect way to end.
Yeah, scratch the whole no danger in the danger ride.